Hi guys, I'm Mark from Comyfirst. You can be sure of the highest professional standards with our team. That's because all our technicians are fully licensed, qualified and experienced. Your home will be left clean and tidy when you choose our team. We ensure our clients are satisfied with our workmanship and our attitude towards them and their property. We specialise in all your heating and cooling needs. Come let me show you how it's done.
I want you to remember, customers always come first. There's a reason why we put first in the company name. We want to be first, we want to be the best, and we want to be the first people that customers think about when they need another trade. All right guys, let's hit the road, let's head to the car.